SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to crop a picture on iPhone 15. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you've taken a picture with the camera on your iPhone, but there's something in that picture that you would like to remove, then you may find the cropping tool to be a useful option in the Photos app. You can crop a picture in the Photos app on your iPhone by opening Photos. You can then navigate to the picture that you would like to crop. Note that if you want to keep an uncropped version of this picture as well, then when you're on this screen, you can tap the three dots at the top right corner of the screen, and then you can choose the duplicate option. But other than that, if you just want to crop the picture, then you can tap the edit button at the top of this screen, which is going to take you to the editing window for the iPhone's Photos app. Now you just need to find this crop button at the bottom of the screen and select that. And now you'll see that there's some bars around the outside perimeter of the picture. Now you just need to drag these bars until you've surrounded the part of the picture that you would like to keep. And then once everything is selected the way that you want it to be, you can tap the Done button at the top right corner of the screen, and then you're going to have the cropped version of your picture. If you decide that you would like to revert to the original uncropped version, then you can just open the cropped version, tap the Edit button, and then select the Revert option, and choose Revert to Original, which is going to remove the edits, including the crops that you just made. So now you'll have the original picture back, even if you had cropped it and then changed your mind.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.